Very interesting. This is related. This is called Sneha Harinam. Sneha Man Pranaya Rag Anurag. Sneha. Sneha means affection. Our acharyas are telling us to chant the holy name of Krishna with sneha. Sneha Nam. Now it's a quality, it's a gun, it's a lakshana, a characteristic of the chanting of this mantra, the Maha Mantra, which we should have and feel. What is that? The word sneha, there are many in Sanskrit language there are many words which mean love. Priti, bhav, prem. These are some. And sneha is also there. And each of these words in Sanskrit, they represent different degrees of love. So what does it mean to chant the holy name with sneha? Sneha, the word sneha means affection, loving attachment, keen interest. Keen interest means I'm excessively interested in this chanting. I really like it. I really want to chant. Excessive interest. And absorption. Sneha Nam. Sneha Harinam means chanting the holy name with affection, loving attachment, keen interest, and absorption. The acharyas give two analogies, or comparison or analogies, to help us understand what is this idea of Sneha Nam. They say that we should mix our chanting of the holy name with the qualities of two special birds. There are two special birds in the Indian subcontinent, which are rather unusual. One is called a chataki, and one is called a charvaki, which is a feminine form, or chatak and charvak. And we'll hear about these two special birds and how they exhibit this quality of sneha, which means, again, affection, loving attachment, keen interest, and absorption.